GD my child's industry. Selma arrived in town last Thursday. I'm having trouble fitting this needle. I need 33 thick thermometers. The thing that I bet about Earth is the weather. This thrilling novel was written by famous author. He will be through with his work at 33. Now and then, she likes to buy new clothing. They thought they were going to northern Spain. No. This is mistake. They thought they were going to northern Spain. Which tablecloths shall we use for the party? Which tablecloths shall we use for the party? That was the 33rd theatre to open.